kind of moved to
Your
Arizona.
glasses on.
It's bright in here. My future's so bright I gotta wear shades. Sup, boys? We got the brake kit for the firstie. So you got your steel braided brake lines. 1, 2. Our rotors. Let's open this other box. This stuff's all from Ruff stuff, Specialties. My steering and stuff came from far from stock, but I was looking between both kits, and this kit was half the price of the far from stock one. Not saying one's better than the other. $600 cheaper is $600 cheaper. So. And this one had good reviews too, so we'll see how I can compare it for you. Mounts for our calipers to mount to.
Nice.
These are pretty beefy, huh? With the parking brake. I opted for the highest. This was the highest kit that they had. It was like 600 something bucks, and it was still half the price of the far from stock ones with the steel braided brake lines and the parking brake calipers. So we've got to get the old. We still got to get the. My dad, I guess, knows how to get the emergency brake cable out of the old ones, and then we'll start assembling the new one and show you guys how it goes and see how we think the kit is. Cabin casualty. Let's see how old are what year is this truck? The same thing. So we need to get the hubs off of the drum. Those? Yeah. Good. Gotta get the hubs off the drums, and then whether that's just we can hit them out or should be able to, but just depends on how rusted in they are, I guess. 50 years is just like how that's on the back.
Which one was which? Okay, so just keep it because we want to make sure we put the same one on the same side. What are you looking for? Yeah, just do. Yeah, that'll work.
The passenger. So, yeah, because I don't think that they.
Yeah, so if you. Yeah, so those go all the way through, right? So does that mean we're gonna have to get some new ones?
No.
Yeah, they're not.
Or you shave that off.
Well, how you can do that? We would need a lathe.
sure these are like Eldorado brakes or something. That's what they were saying on their thing.
Or is that something special?
Like a Chevy Eldorado.
Oh.
Because then you have this.
Those brackets are beefy.
Bolts on to right there, right?
Yeah.
It's like this towards the truck.
The caliper, yeah.
And then this
You want to get them bolted on?
bolts on.
Because we can bolt these on. Are you going to powder coat them or?
We just give them an aerosol overhaul. Well, that was an uneventful trip to town.
Pretty uneventful.
Ended up with just paint.
So now we gotta figure out what we're gonna do with the studs.
No one has a drill bit, so my theory was I'm just going to grind down the flange with the cutoff wheel on the
So you
grinder.
paint, I'll work on trying to figure out a solution to this.
Great success!
So what we're going to do
Oh, I have one of those.
Well, now we have more.
11/16 is like almost exactly what we need, size wise.
Do they have an 11/16 drill bit?
No. If they did, I would have bought it. So these have, both of them have the size we need. So 11/16 is right there. So we until we get through there, then I think we can do this side, flip it over, do the other side, and it should be.
Well, you won't need to do the other side because that
Oh, that's true.
profile doesn't go clear through.
That's true.
This shelf right here
Yeah, so let me.
is what we can't get past.
Yeah.
And we got this side super far.
We there? Is that gonna
Should be fine.
Okay, do
By
it
the
again.
time that's pressed into the hub.
Yeah, see that'll pull tight, won't it? Okay, do it. It might be that's probably as far as it goes. Yeah, then you're actually.
Just throw this bearing in just to hold it up.
We'll need to put some.
I just put it in there to
Yeah.
level it up.
We'll need to put some grease on all those stuff. Grease everything up. Clean off your spindles and stuff. So yeah.
This will go on like this, theoretically.
It's gotta go down. There.
Yeah. Looks pretty sick, huh?
Looks good, yeah.
Then from the back, you'll see the real disc converted.
Yep.
Pretty cool.
Quick and easy. Yeah, so.
When you have the correct stuff, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
And then we'll order, we need brake lines. I'm just gonna order a stainless steel kit off online. It's like $50 because the lines actually go into the ends of the old lines. So that just bolts into your end. That comes in factory, and then that just goes to your caliper.
Yeah.
So worried about that, but it just goes to the factory stuff. So I'll just order some new things, and then I still have to place the order for the P-pump gear.
And then we still have to get that off.
And yeah, so this week I'll order the P-pump gear, this, and the brakes lines. And then steering stuff will be here. I mean, the first box is here from far from stock, but all the steering stuff will be here Tuesday. So next weekend will probably be steering stuff, some mock-up or whatnot. Obviously, there's still a good amount of stuff that needs done, but yeah, overall, as long as you do have to drill. You have to drill out your rotor. Even on the instructions, it says drill. So we just use a step bit just to get that little collar down enough because you want it to be free flowing, and then it presses into your hub. But yeah, so disc conversion for your firstie. Rough Stuff Specialties. Good kit. Just make sure you have the correct tools, and now you guys know. No one else out there has really seen a good video on. So take care of your 12 valve. See you in the next one. Peace.